how to use the stochastic trading strategy. Today, we'll show you how to use the stochastic strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on the use of the stochastic oscillator indicator. The stochastic oscillator is an indicator that shows the current price position relative to its previous highs and lows. It consists of 2 periods, the fast %K and the slow %D, and helps to identify moments when an asset might be overbought or oversold. How to set up the stochastic oscillator indicator for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. For example, you can set periods like this: %K to 5, %D to 3, and the smoothing period to 3. Watch for stochastic line crossover signals. When the fast line crosses the slow line from bottom to top, it is a signal to open an up trade. If the crossover occurs from top to bottom, open a down trade. Use the stochastic indicator in combination with trend analysis for better results. Happy trading on Pocket Option.